Manoj Kumar asks, when can an investment in a liquid fund become negative and how does it recover?
If I have to classify the life of, the phase in the life of a liquid fund ever since they got started or they have been made available to Indian investors, I would say that the initial 10 years, 10, 11 years, they had extreme flexibility. They were at liberty to do their valuation freely. Of course, gradually there was a ceiling on the duration of the bonds that they can hold, and once that was put in place, they will normally not go beyond that, and that was 6 months. But the first negative, and in the initial 10-12 years, none of the liquid fund went down in value even on an overnight basis. The first time it happened was in one or two fund in the extreme situation in the 2008 crisis. But there was one occasion when many of the liquid funds faced the decline in value on an overnight basis. That was few years later, in the taper tantrum, when the American Federal Reserve chief, she announced that the interest rates will go up, and there was a havoc in the bond markets globally, and that is when liquid funds also faced a decline in value on an overnight basis. But that decline in value was recovered in the next 3-4 days. And of late, in the last 1.5 to 2 years, the regulation or the regulation of the liquid fund portfolio, regulation mandating the management or the operating framework for liquid fund has undergone a change. What used to be the liquid fund, the very conservative ones, now they have been slotted into a different category, which is the overnight fund. So overnight funds are unlikely to be facing a situation where they will go down in value even on an overnight basis, on a day-to-day basis. The liquid funds, they can go down in value, and the likelihood of they going down in value on account of valuation, because now that has become more stringent. So that can happen more often, but still not that often. And if at all it happens, the magnitude of that fall could be very nominal, and at worst, it will recover in 7-8 days. But we have had, few instances of liquid fund where, the AAA rated commercial paper or very short-term security, money market instruments issued by some institutions or some companies. They saw, and that was particularly in the context of ILFS, where there was a top-rated commercial paper, and which was held by many liquid funds, and they saw a decline, and that was actually a write-off. They could not really recover that money. But the market-related, the mark-to-market losses of the liquid funds, one is able to recover in 4-5 days, 6 days at worst. And that some of those liquid funds, they never recovered. But that was a one-off example we have. We don't have any other example of that kind.